Hello everyone, welcome back to Globtech Learning Academy YouTube channel. In previous class, I have discussed about what is operators and what are the types of operators. So the types of operators are arithmetic operators, second one is assignment operators, third one is relation operators, fourth one is logical operators, fifth one is unary operators, and the last one is ternary operators. So we already seen arithmetic operators and assignment operators. And the next operator is relational operators. So what is relational operators? The relation operator in Java are used to check the relations between two operands. After comparison, the relation operators returns a Boolean value. The relational operators are mainly used for conditional checks in if, else, for, while, and etc. The types of relation operators in Java. There are six types of relation operators in Java, and there can be found is equal to means double equal. If it is checked, two operands are equal. Second one is not equal to means if it is checked, two operands are not equal. Third one is greater than means check if one operand is greater than the other. Fourth one is less than. It means if it is check, one operand is less than the other. Greater than or equal to means check if one operand is either greater than or equal to the other. And last one is less than or equal to means checks if one operand is either less than or equal to the others. And these are the types of relation operators. And this is the example for relation operators. So here I am taking two variable name. One is A and B. For example, A is 20 and B is 10. So with the help of these two operands are using in relation operator. And always Java program starts with main method. Then the executed program and the final result is, and this is the final result. And the next operator is logical operators. Then what is logical operators? The logical operators in Java are special symbols or keywords that perform logical operations on Boolean values. They are used to evaluate conditions and return a Boolean result, means true or false. The main logical operators in Java are double AND, means logical AND, which returns true if both statements are true. Then logical OR, which returns true if one of the statement is true. Then not, logical not, which reverses the result and return false if the result is true. And this is the example for logical operator. In logical operators, we have truth tables. For AND logical operators, the truth table is true and true is nothing but a true. Second one is true and false is nothing but a false. False and true is nothing but a false. And last one is false and false is nothing but a false. This is for AND logical operator. And next one is or logical operators. For all logical operators, we have a truth table, which is true or true is true. Second one is true or false is true only. Then false or true is true. The last one is false or false is false. For last one is not logical operator means if true is nothing but a false, then false is nothing but a true. These are the truth table for logical operators. And always Java program start with main method, then execute the program, and then the result will be true, 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 false. And this is the final result. Okay, in this session, you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.